Right, hello everyone, this is a hole number 1 expert division. This is a hole in one and I'm playing this one directly from my camera roll. So you'll see this is something that I do in tournaments, is I'll take a shot and then I'll go back and sort of go through it frame by frame. So I'm setting up with 2 backspin, 4 right spin. That's my spin setup with a Grizzly. I'm picking Grizzly because I get a full ball guide on that. So if you've got a B52 or a Grizzly, the Grizzly plays really well. It's quite a tricky setup, and that's the reason that I'm showing you this from my camera roll, so that I can sort of stop it and pause it at the right point. And you see I'm moving all over there looking for the right point, but I think that's reasonably repeatable. So that's the position that I want to be finding, and what I'm looking for is the lines on the green. So you've got one coming directly from the hole, then a row there, then a row there, and a row there, and you're looking for the position of that bounce and maybe the position of that bounce, and then ball guide through the hole. So that's what we're looking for, ball guide through the hole. And then really the second bounce needs to be on, if you think of the rows being numbered, that's number 1, that's number 2, that's number 3. The ball guide needs to bounce right there, which is on the, right there, which is on the, just to the left of the 3rd row of squares. So it seems quite fiddly, but once you play it and you zoom in, you can quickly find that position. So you can see that there's 1 row of light squares and 1 row of light squares. You just need to be on the left side of that row of light squares with the guide through the hole. So a bit fiddly, but it worked out quite well. Now if you look at the second bounce there, it's well onto the green. I adjusted minimum distance plus 10%, so I adjusted 6.9 rings, plus 15%, so 7.2 rings for 8.0 wind. And if you look at the second bounce, it's nowhere near where I set up, but it went in, so I'll take it and I'll try it again next time. So the second bounce was actually on the fringe, but that's how I play hole number 1 expert division.